Here in First Class Collision, our goal is your satisfaction. We know how hard it can be to not have your vehicle that is at its best condition. It can be unsafe and stressful, affecting our everyday life. Let First Class Collision Center help you back into your normal life. Using our technologically advanced and hugely successful blueprinting process, we have efficient and high-quality repair plans. Join into First Class Collision Center community. Call us today, 214-227-4444.
First Class Collision Center. More than 3,000 satisfied customers today.